Imagine scrolling through your phone, checking out the latest memes, texting your friends, or maybe even doing some online shopping. Our phones have become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us to the world in ways we never thought possible. Now, imagine finding out that your phone activity is part of a Supreme Court case. Sounds pretty wild, right? But that's exactly what happened in the landmark case of Carpenter versus the United States. This case has set a precedent that affects every single one of us who uses a smartphone. This case has huge implications for everyone who uses a smartphone, which, let's be honest, is pretty much all of us. So, what's the deal with Carpenter versus the United States? Why is it so important, and how does it impact your everyday phone use? In 2018, the Supreme Court tackled a big question. Can the government track your phone's location without a warrant? This wasn't just a minor legal squabble, it was a major decision that would affect millions of people. The stakes were incredibly high. The court's answer was a resounding nope, they can't. This ruling was a game changer for digital privacy. It marked a significant shift in how the law views our digital lives and the data we generate. What this means is that your phone's location data is now protected under the Fourth Amendment, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures. This is a big win for privacy advocates and for anyone who values their personal privacy. For teens and young adults, this is huge. Think about it. Your phone is like an extension of yourself. It knows where you are, who you talk to, and even what you like to do. It's almost like a digital diary that keeps track of your life. Imagine you're at the mall, hanging out at your friend's house, or just chilling in the park. Before this ruling, the government could potentially ask your phone company for your location data without needing a warrant. Now they can't do that so easily. Your privacy matters more than ever. Let's break it down even further. If you post on social media from a new spot, that location info is safe from prying eyes, unless there's a strong reason to get it. This means that your spontaneous selfies and check-ins are a bit more secure. You can share your experiences without worrying as much about who might be watching. So when you're snapping pics, chatting with friends, or even just browsing the web, you can feel a bit more at ease knowing that your digital footprint is better protected. This ruling gives you more control over your personal information. Carpenter versus the United States is a landmark case that underscores the importance of digital privacy in our modern world. It's a reminder that our personal information, especially something as sensitive as our location data, deserves protection. This case has set a new standard for how our digital lives are treated under the law. So stay smart and stay safe. Remember, your digital life is valuable, and thanks to this Supreme Court ruling, it's a little more secure. Keep enjoying your phone, but always be mindful of your privacy settings and the information you share. The digital world is vast and exciting, but it's also important to navigate it wisely. Take a moment to review your phone's privacy settings. Make sure you're comfortable with the permissions you've granted to various apps. It's a small step that can make a big difference in protecting your personal information. Talk to your friends and family about digital privacy. Share what you've learned about Carpenter versus the United States and why it's important. The more people understand their rights, the better we can all protect our personal information. Remember, your phone goes everywhere with you. It's a powerful tool that holds a lot of information about your life. By being aware of your digital rights and taking steps to protect your privacy, you can use your phone with greater confidence. Enjoy the freedom that comes with knowing your location data is protected. Whether you're exploring new places, connecting with friends, or just going about your daily routine, you can do so with a bit more peace of mind. Carpenter versus the United States is a victory for digital privacy, but it's also a reminder to stay vigilant. Keep your phone secure, be mindful of the information you share, and always stay informed about your digital rights. Stay updated on digital privacy issues. The landscape is always changing, and new challenges and opportunities arise all the time. By staying informed, you can better protect yourself and your personal information. So, keep scrolling, texting, and sharing, but do it with the knowledge that your privacy is a priority. Thanks to Carpenter versus the United States, your digital life is a little more secure. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy the digital world with confidence.